Hello and welcome to the host e-learning platform launched by Mindhosts and powered by Indgiants Private Limited. In this video, I will demonstrate to you how easy it is for the administrative officer of the institute to add the students into the institute. The administrative officer will receive the organization code, username, and password on his or her registered mobile. They can use these credentials to log into the administrative officer's website of the Mindhost portal, app.mindhosts.com. Fill the organization code, username, and password. Click on Login. Now, this is the dashboard. Let us try to add a student and create an account for the student. Enter the name of the student, demo student, registration number 687 I'll give the mobile number as 6303 812 140. In fact, I was trying to select the same mobile number that I've given to the demo teacher so that whoever is demonstrating, it will be easy for them to demonstrate. Okay. I'll call it as demo parent. Okay. And I'll give the same mobile number. This is only for demonstration purpose. So I'll do one thing. I'll add the student to all the classes. Okay. And then I'll create an account for the student. But before that, let me take a screenshot of this and preserve it so that it will be there for the demonstrators. Okay. So here, right? Now I'll say create. Create. It's as simple as that. Creating a student's account is so simple. Now let us try to see what are the credentials that will be given to the student. Demo student, registration number, username is demo2140, mobile number is 6303 812 140, the guardian's number. Okay, so this is how it is. I'll go back to the student and then I'll log out from here. And in the next video, I'll try to show how to create an account for staff members, that is the teachers. Okay. Thank you and bye bye until then.